start with the real quick. This is just an example, right? Let's start with the melody from the Patient, right? At the end of the Patient, the one that goes. Right? So that's a pretty simple melody, right? It's just A, B, C, D. Now, knowing that these are the notes, that means that I can transpose this anywhere I want on the fretboard and get the exact same melody in different octaves if I want. I can play it in this same exact octave if I play it down here. See, it's the same thing. I'm just playing the same notes in a different location on the fretboard because I know where the different notes are, right? Now, then the next thing he does after he comes out of this is he plays this exact same melody at the next higher octave, which remember, the next higher octave of any note that you're hearing is always going to be 12 frets away from where you're starting. So if I'm starting here with the open A string, well then if I slide this whole thing up 12 frets up and I do the math, I end up here on the 14th fret, right? Because here I'm on the second, so plus 12 is 14. Now all I need to do is follow the same pattern. Then at the end, he walks it down. Right? He just does that simple walk down, right? But, you know, how did I learn that? It's because I know the location of these notes throughout the fretboard. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm happening in real time with music, right? So in the eulogy solo, right? So what he's doing there is he's playing an E add 9 chord, right? Then open. Then now he's going to slide it down here and do the exact same thing, but at the lower octave. So he's subtracting 12. If I'm on the 14th here, that means I'm going to be on the second here. Then open. Right? So there's another example, like just like the Patient went from down here up 12 frets, well then here you just went down one octave. You started at the 14th and went down to the second, right? So